India's defense industry is drawing global attention. Indian companies are participating in Eurosatory 2026. It is the world's largest land and air-land defense exhibition. The event is being held near Paris in France. More than 2,000 exhibitors from 61 countries are taking part. India has sent 31 entities. The Ministry of Defence is also participating. DRDO, Bharat Electronics Limited, Kalyani Strategic Systems, Tonbo Imaging and MKU are among the key participants. The goal is clear. Show India's defence capabilities to the world. Expand exports. Build new partnerships. Kalyani Strategic Systems has brought the MARG-39 artillery gun. DRDO is displaying the Pinaka guided rocket system. It is also showcasing VSHORAD. The Rudram missile is on display too. An advanced lightweight torpedo is also being showcased. Several Indian firms are presenting ammunition and electro-optics. Many are displaying protective equipment. The timing is significant. India's defense exports have hit a record high. Exports reached 38,424 crore rupees in fiscal year 2025-26. That is a jump of nearly 63%. India now exports defense products to more than 80 countries. The number of exporters is also rising. Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted defense cooperation during his visit to Slovakia. He said defense ties reflect deep trust between the two countries. A new letter of intent has been signed. The aim is joint development, joint production, and stronger industry cooperation. Slovak Prime Minister Robert Fico also expressed interest in defense collaboration.
हमारे बीच स्पेस के क्षेत्र में सहयोग बढ़ाने का बहुत बड़ा पोटेंशियल है। 2017 में स्लोवाकिया की पहली सैटेलाइट भारत द्वारा लॉन्च की गई थी। आज भारत में स्पेस सेक्टर अभूतपूर्व गति से नई ऊंचाइयां छू रहा है। मैं स्लोवाकिया की कंपनियों को इस विकास यात्रा में शामिल होने के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूं। सिविल न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी भी दोनों देशों के लिए मुख्य प्राथमिकता का क्षेत्र है। हमने इस क्षेत्र में दोनों देशों की इंडस्ट्रीज और एक्सपर्ट्स के बीच सहयोग बढ़ाने पर बल दिया। रक्षा सहयोग हमारे गहरे आपसी विश्वास और स्ट्रेटेजिक कन्वर्जेंस का प्रमाण है। मुझे खुशी है कि इस महत्वपूर्ण क्षेत्र में आज हमने लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट साइन किया। इससे जॉइंट डेवलपमेंट, जॉइंट प्रोडक्शन और डिफेंस इंडस्ट्रीज के बीच सहयोग को नई गति मिलेगी।
The list of agreements, memoranda of understanding or letter of intent, vyhlásenie o zámere, confirms what we want to focus on. I see 2 or 3 areas which I'd like to highlight, and I'd like to mark them as the topics for the Prime Minister, dear Prime Minister, and I would like to ask you to support these topics within our mutual cooperation. It's first of all the area of exchange of experience when it comes to digitalization and use of AI. You are becoming the world leader, and Slovakia is interested, and therefore I will ask the respective ministry to be active and to use this possibility. I'm also interested in a cooperation in the field of defense industry, where we have quite a lot of opportunities. Those who want to do a sovereign policy have to ensure its own protection and defense, and therefore I fully understand this collaboration and I will support it.
From Paris to Bratislava, India's message is clear. It wants a larger share of the pie in global defense supplies, and it is backing that ambition with technology, exports, and partnerships.